Hi guys, welcome to Pearl TV, okay? If you're watching this my YouTube channel, and welcome to Pearl TV Official if you're watching this in my FB page, okay? So in this video, our topic is about pag-ibig, okay? Pag-ibig which is the HDMF, okay? Not the love talk, okay? This is about this is a sort of investment talk. Okay? I just want to share a bit of story. Last Monday, am I right? If I'm not mistaken, we went to Pag-ibig branch in Caloocan, okay? And it's a good news for me to know that my MP2 membership accordingly is about to mature this 2024. But the sad story is, it is just a konti lang. Kasi when pandemic strike, konti pa lang yung nadideposit ko that time, okay? And in the upcoming months, dun ko makikita kung magkano ba yung tinubo, okay? Magkano ba yung tinubo ng pera ko? Pero syempre konti lang yung kasi konti nga lang. But the bottom line is MP2 is talagang okay. Kasi nga, kung hindi mo naman need pa yung money, tapos monthly magsisave ka, diba? Like you're a home-based mom and you're doing an extra income. You have a passive income. And you want to save your money, to invest your money to something that could give you a good return of investment, okay? So I think MP2 is nice compared to saving your money into the bank. Kasi pag sa bank ka nagsisave, kahit like for example, you're saving 50,000, saving 10,000 after how many years, napakaliit lang ng tubo, okay? But if you would love to save in MP2, basta what we're talking about here is yung savings na hindi mo talaga kailangan gastusin, okay? Like for example, may sideline ka naman na kumikita ka ng, let's say, 500 pesos per week. So let's say for a month, you have a total of 2,000, diba? So why not try to save the 500 pesos to MP2, di ba? So, let's say yung 500 na yun, hindi mo yung kailangan talaga. Kasi you prefer that for investment. So, why not consider putting that 500 pesos to your MP2 savings, okay? So, this is just a sort of tip for you. Kasi na-try ko na, I tried it, pero ang konti nga lang ng savings ko kasi natamaan ng pandemic. But then afterwards, according to the person whom I have talked into the Pag-ibig branch, after I got the amount, once it mature, I can still open another account, okay? So, thanks for watching. I hope you got inspired in this story. God bless.